welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry, and today I have got another Fab 5 recipe for you. So that means it's absolutely fabulous, but it only has 5 ingredients. But before I get started, let me just say, if this is your first time here, you like food, you love fun, you are in the right spot. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. All right, so today we're going to be making pasta and sausage. So I didn't say it had a fabulous name, but it's going to taste fabulous, and that's all that matters. And the thing I love about this is not only is it 5 ingredients, but it's really, really fast. You can have this done in under 30 minutes. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and put on a pot of water for our pasta, and I'm going to do that, and I'm also going to add, of course, to our water. And I already had it going for a little bit there. I didn't know how long it was going to take to warm up. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is grab our Italian sausage. Now, if you can't find just the ground Italian sausage, you can buy the links and you can just pull it out of the casings. But all we're going to do is pull off little pieces, and we're just going to roll them into little meatballs. And I got to tell you, Italian sausage is like the perfect ingredient for any pasta dish. It just has so much flavor. I love it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and roll all this into little pasta balls, not pasta balls, little meatballs. Pasta's going to go over there. All right, so now that we have all of our meatballs rolled, we're going to go ahead and add our pasta to the water. And I'm going to give this a stir really quick. Just make sure our pasta doesn't stick. And then the next thing I'm going to do is take a little bit of black pepper, and we're going to take our little meatballs, and we're just going to kind of lightly roll them around in the pepper. All right, so I'm going to finish rolling these really quick. Now that I have all of them rolled, I can go ahead and add these to the pan. And I'm just going to dump them in there. There we go. As you can see, I made them on the small side, so they're not going to take very long to cook at all. I'm going to go ahead and give our pasta another stir. And just as soon as these are done, we'll be able to pull the whole dish together. Okay, so our pasta is done. I went ahead and pulled it off the heat, and our meatballs are almost done. The next thing I want to do is go ahead and work on what we're going to, I don't guess it's really a sauce, but kind of going to be a sauce, I guess. Anyway, I got a bunch of parsley that I just chopped up there. I'm going to add 1 egg that I've beaten to this. And then I've got a block of Parmesan cheese. And I'm just going to go ahead and grate most of this in here. I'm not doing a very good job this morning. I was trying to hurry to get my pasta off of there. So just about most of this is what I'm going to grate in here. And by the time I get done doing this, our meatballs should be finished all the way. Okay, so this is just about done. I'm going to set this aside. Actually, I'm going to put these in the sink. Give myself some room here. So I'm just going to whisk this together, our egg and our parsley and our cheese. And then I'm also going to throw in, I need a ladle. I'm going to throw in, and keep the noodles out, a scoop of our cooking water. And then once I've got all this whisked together, I'm going to go ahead and pull my meatballs back here. And we're going to slowly add this to the pan. See, it's kind of going to make a sauce, kind of. All right, we're going to stir this all around. Kind of let this thicken up. Let our cheese melt. Look how good that looks. Look at all that cheese. Y'all know I love cheese. And so whenever you serve this, if you decide to, you can serve it right out of the pan, but if you decide to put it in a bowl, you can always finish grating the rest of the Parmesan right on top. All right. Let's get a little bowl. Let's get a little bowl. You know what? I forgot to get myself a fork again. That's all right. We can just eat with our hands. All right. I love Italian sausage. I love the taste of fennel, though. I love it, love it, love it. And you know what's so good about this? You could change this recipe up all different kinds of ways. If you don't like, excuse me, Italian sausage, you could do ground beef, ground chicken, ground turkey, and still make the little meatballs with it. If you don't like pasta, you could put potatoes or rice in there. Just really, really good. Anyway, it takes under like 30 minutes. And like I said, it's just fabulous. It doesn't have a fabulous name, but it tastes really, really good. So I hope you guys, we lost a noodle. I hope you guys will give this one a try. Let me know what you think. I'm about ready to choke on my food. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.